Say hi, Caddy. Aren't you cute? What's this? Good sit. Good sit. That's a pretty girl. Caddy is 6 months old. She's a wavy. And she's a very good girl. And like Peanut that's hollering. Good girl. Yes. She is kennel trained. She sleeps all night. She just had a tubby. Her feet, oh, nope. And good sit. Good sit. Yes. She is ready for her new home. She's not a really big girl. She weighs about 28 pounds right now. So she'll be in the probably 40-pound mark as an adult. She has a little bit of white on top of her nose. And she's a lover girl. Are you a lovey girl? Where's that cookie? Where's that cookie? Not terribly high-strung. You can see she's focused. She's a good focused girl, aren't you? Okay. She has white on that back foot, but the other, oh, yep. Look at that perfect sit. Perfect sit. Huh, Caddy? Can you stand up? Caddy, come. Caddy. Caddy, come. Good come. Good girl. That's a very good girl. Is that Peanut? Is that Peanut? Is that Peanut being naughty? Is that your little Peanut being naughty? Peanut, hush. You're such a good girl, Caddy. Come. Caddy, come. Good girl. So gentle. So gentle. And she is a lovely girl. You just love to be loved. Yeah, I so love to be loved. Yes. Oh, big nose. Big nose, huh? Oh. Whoops. Oh, yes. So here she is snuggling on my lap. You're a good girl. Get down. It's hard to videotape you if you're on my lap. Yeah. Hard to videotape you. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl, Caddy? Peanut's not a good girl. Is Peanut being naughty? You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. Good Caddy. Good come. Good girl. Caddy. Good come. Good girl.